Well, boys, so I was running this thing around. I put me a trailer on it. I was running around, and somewhere over here, it caught on fire, technically. Well, it did, because I seen the flame. It was like over here somewhere. So it was on fire. I put it out, thankfully. It was like right next to the gas tank. But now I gotta detach the trailer, put it over there somewhere over here, and I'll push this darn thing home because I don't want to start it. The tire went flat. But yeah, caught on fire. Let's go. Anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.